Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see some more examples on method of least squares. We have seen that we are using method of least squares to determine best possible values of constants in the given equation. So if number of data points are given and the equation suitable for those data points is given, then we can determine the best possible values of constants in the given equation. So let us see first example. Find the least squares fit of the form y equal to a naught plus a1 x square to the following data. The values of x are -1, 0, 1 and 2, and the values of y are 2, 5, -3, 2, 5, 0 and 3. From given data we can observe that there are 4 sample points. So n is equal to 4, and the given equation of curve is y equal to a naught plus a1 x square. Y is function of x, and a naught and a1 are constants. Since there are two constants, we have to formulate two normal equations. The first normal equation will be corresponding to a naught. So we have to multiply the given equation with coefficient of a naught. The coefficient of a naught is 1. So let us multiply the given equation by 1. So it will be y is equal to a plus a1 x square. If we multiply by 1, it remains as it is. We have to write this equation for 4 data points. First, second, third and fourth. So first will be y1 is equal to a naught plus a1 x1 square, y2 is equal to a naught plus a2 x2 square, and so on till y4 equal to a naught plus a1 x4 square. Then we have to sum these equations. So the normal equation will be summation y is equal to a naught into n, where n is equal to 4, plus a1 summation x square. So this is the first normal equation. The second normal equation will be determined from coefficient of constant a1. The coefficient of a1 is x square. So we have to multiply the given equation by x square. Then it becomes x square y is equal to a naught x square plus a1 x to the power 4. Now write this equation for 4 data points and then add them together. Then the normal equation will be summation x square y is equal to a naught summation x square plus a1 summation x to the power 4. So we have formulated two normal equations which are numbered as equation number 1 and equation number 2. So the first step is over. I hope everyone is getting this. In the second step, we are going to substitute for summation y, summation x square y, and summation x to the power 4, and summation x square for these 5 values, and n is equal to 4. For these 6 values, we have to substitute these 6 values in these two equations. To get these values, we have to form one table. So this is the table. X and y are the given values. From this, we have to calculate x square, x to the power 4, and x square y. The last row indicates summation. This is summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation x to the power 4, and summation x square y. We have to use these values and substitute in equation number 1 and 2. After substituting, we get 10 is equal to 4a0 plus 6a1 and 5 is equal to 6a0 plus 18a1. Now we have to solve these equations simultaneously. By solving it, we get the values of constants a0 and a1. a0 is equal to 4.167 and a1 equal to minus 1.111. Now the last step, substitute these values in the equation of curve. So it is given as y equal to a0 plus a1 x square. After substituting the values of a0 and a1, we get y equal to 4.167 minus 1.111 x square. This is the required equation of given curve. Let us see one more example. Using the method of least squares, fit the curve y equal to ax square plus b upon x to the following data. The data points are, the values of x are 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the corresponding values of y are minus 1.51, 0.99, 8.88 and 7.66. We observe here the number of data points are 4, that is n is equal to 4, and the given equation of curve is y equal to ax square plus b upon x. Y is function of x and the constants are a and b. We can see there are two constants, so there will be two normal equations corresponding to constant a and corresponding to constant b. Let us see. Now, first we need to rearrange the equation. Y equal to ax square plus b upon x. Instead of that, by rearranging the terms, we are getting xy is equal to ax cube plus b. Now it is easy to form normal equations. Now the coefficient of a is x square, x cube. So following the procedure of normal equation, we get the first normal equation as summation xy is equal to a summation x cube plus the first equation corresponds to constant b. The coefficient of b is 1. So by multiplying, multiply the entire equation by 1 and then add them together. So it is summation xy is equal to a summation x cube plus n into b. And the second normal equation corresponds to constant a. The coefficient of constant a is x cube. So multiply entire equation by x cube. So the normal equation becomes summation x to the power 4 plus a summation x to the power 6 plus b summation x cube. Now these are two normal equations. In the next step, we have to substitute the values of summation xy, summation x cube, n, summation x to the power 4y, summation x to the power 6 and summation x cube. For this, formulate one table. So these are given values of x and y. From this, we need to calculate x cube, x to the power 6, xy and x to the power 4 into y. In the last row, there is summation using these values. So these values are substituted in normal equations. So after substituting these values, the equations will be as shown by equation 3 and 4. Now we have to solve these two equations, and after solving these equations simultaneously, we get a is equal to 0.51 and b is equal to minus 2.06. The last step, we need to substitute values of these constants in the given equation, and that equation becomes y equal to 0.51 x square minus 2.06 upon x, which is the best fit for the required equation. So we have seen how to use method of least squares to given equation of curve. Thank you.